time. Hey guys, Parker here. Welcome to my channel, Yoshi on the Go, where we do stuff. And today, of course, we're doing some really cool stuff. We just picked up The Incredibles 4K Blu-ray Steelbook edition at Best Buy. And not only are we going to take a look at this, but we're going to take a look at my entire Steelbook collection. It's the 2018 Steelbook update. Well, I guess we'll just start with obviously the best new edition today, and that's the Incredibles Steelbook. So we got the front and the back. And guys, I'm really excited about this upcoming sequel coming out. Oh, well, I mean, it's already out by the time you're watching this, so happy Incredibles 2. So you guys don't have to wait anymore. Unfortunately, though, I had to wait for 14 years for this movie to be released. And finally, it's released. I became a teenager, then an adult, then a man-child. I graduated high school and elementary school and junior high, and I'm gonna be graduating college next May 2019. So just in time for Avengers 4. But man, so many things have happened since since The Incredibles. Like, we got YouTube and Facebook and social media. We got HD video and Blu-ray versus HD DVD. We got 4K, we got 3D movies. That's just in the terms of technology. Obviously, a lot has happened in the gaming space. For 2004, we were gaming in 480p. Now we're gaming in 4K thanks to PCs and the Xbox One X. And of course, we've got the Switch. It's just absolute madness. Anyways, but yeah, and luckily all of the discs, we've got the 4K Blu-ray, regular Blu-ray, we've got the bonus disc, and look at the inside. That's just gorgeous. And of course, here's the full panorama view on the outside. It is shiny and glossy, so I'm not a big fan of the glossy stuff because you can already see it got the fingerprints going. Also, it's embossed, as you can see, so that's a nice touch. All right, let's keep going. We're actually just gonna show the new Steelbooks. So if you wanna see all of the Steelbooks that I have in my whole collection, you can check out my other collections, like my 2017 update, my 2016 update, links at the end of the video. First and foremost, Atomic Blonde. I like Charlize Theron, and this is a totally groovy, stylistic movie. Not my favorite, but it's still a lot of fun. It's a good time. Great soundtrack, great visuals. Of course, the Steelbook beautifully matches. Yeah, and here's the discs. Here's the inside. And here's the outside all together. Baby Driver. Edgar Wright is fantastic. Shaun of the Dead, Baby Driver, Scott Pilgrim vs. the World. I have all those Steelbooks. They're all fantastic movies. And Baby Driver's no different. I really like how the sunglasses are glossy on this one, and everything else has kind of a matte texture. But yeah, here's the inside with the discs. Pretty basic, just the boring blue, which is fine. But I like the bold font is pretty good. Here's the inside of the cover as well, and here's the outside. All in all, it's a great package. Fantastic movie for any car fan, heist fan, Edgar Wright fan. I recommend that. Oh my goodness, it's Coco. This movie oh my goodness, it's just really, really good. Yeah, I love how the logo is embossed on the front, and it's just so colorful and vivid and bright and stuff. And you can see right here at the top, I accidentally dropped it, so it's a little bit bent, but that's okay. The movie is still just fine. Now, on the inside, got the discs, nice and colorful, and of course the inside art is amazing, and here's the outside art as well. It's glossy, and I don't really like glossy, but I'll say that over and over again. That's okay. It really shines, and I really like this movie. And the Steelbook, especially the front cover, complements the whole movie very well. So I've got to establish a rule for this next one. Don't tell anyone about it. That's because it's Fight Club. Hey! I didn't expect to like this movie because I don't typically watch R-rated movies, but this one's like super funny and super thought-provoking, I guess, because you're thinking, what on earth is happening? What is going on? And when you go back and watch it like a second and third and fourth time like I have, it's just like, whoa, this is really well thought out. So yeah, I got the front here. Crack it open, check out the disc and the inside art. This is the 10th anniversary edition Blu-ray. Cool. And of course the back. All right, next is the original Home Alone 2 movie collection. This is the good Home Alones. I've seen most of them, but there's like 7 of them now or something, or 5, I don't know. They're just really great movies. Anyway, they're a lot of fun, family friendly. Crack it open. Here are the discs. I really like this nice clean look. Just the label. It's just the name against the white. You don't need anything else. And of course that classic meme. Oh, and then the outside. Jumanji, welcome to the jungle. Now this, I was looking forward to, but I knew I would be disappointed. And then I wasn't disappointed, and it turns out this movie is really awesome, and it's funny, and it's got good action, but more importantly, for a video game movie, it has strong character development, and it doesn't copy, you know, crazy button mashing action scenes in movies just for the sake of the action. It actually has really smart character development and backstory and all that stuff. So here's the front, crack open the if you're into Snapchat, you can scan that code, I guess, if you want to. And unfortunately, well, we got the logo, but still got the boring blue for the Blu-ray, and boring black for for the 4K Blu-ray. But the inside art and the outside. But yeah, whether you're a fan of video games or not, whether you're a fan of the original Jumanji or not, I do recommend you watching this at least once. It's just a ton of fun, and it's very family friendly as well, so that's always a good thing. Something that's not very family friendly and would definitely make my dad make those sounds throughout the entire movie is this Butte Logan. Now, I had originally planned to pick it up when it first came out in early summer, but the Steelbook sold out immediately and I couldn't pre-order, and it was really sad. But the Steelbook gods answered my Steelbook prayers, and they did a reprint like late November, right around Black Friday time. Got the glossy cover, fantastic artwork from that guy. Got the discs, pretty straightforward. Got the inside art and the beautiful apocalyptic hand-drawn outside wrap. All right, next one. Now this movie not only like revolutionized movies and changed movies for the better, but it also gave you a reason back in the late 90s to buy a DVD player, which that's The Matrix. Some of the best actions, some most iconic action moments that, whether you've seen it or not, you've definitely seen some of the stuff that The Matrix has made. So yeah, the front is this shiny matte, which is pretty cool, a creepy little baby tube. Yeah, that's really weird. It has nothing to do with babies, but you just gotta watch the movie. It's insane. Yep, that's it. I actually quite like this disc art. It's pretty refreshing. You don't really see something so simple, but it just works really well, I think, in this case. And of course the back. Spider-Man is no exception. I love this artwork very much, except for, like, I love Iron Man, but why is he on the main artwork? He has like 5 minutes of screen time. It's I don't know, it's ridiculous. But Spider-Man Homecoming is a fantastic movie. I didn't like it as much as I was hoping I would, but it's still, I think it's my second favorite Spider-Man. And we already have 3 Spider-Man movies in the MCU, which is fantastic. So of course here are the discs. Not much to differentiate the 4K and the regular Blu-ray. And the inside art. And the outside art wrap. And one funny detail is that this back part is backwards for some reason. I don't know what's up with that, but okay. All right, probably the most controversial movie in this video, Star Wars Episode 8. And frankly, I liked this movie so much that this is actually the first Star Wars movie I have ever purchased. That's how good I thought it was. Why the hate? Shut up, Star Wars fans. You don't know what you're talking about. It's funny that because they introduced so many new things and aspects of the Force, and that's just to serve the plot. Well, literally every single Star Wars movie ever introduced new things to serve the plot of that particular Star Wars movie. The logo's embossed. Of course, we got the light side on the front, and then contrasting colors on the back. This is amazing. But before we check out the full panorama, let's crack it open. Here are all the discs and the inside art and some of the most beautiful artwork, I think, in a Steelbook, the backside. Ooh. It's so, oh my gosh, like it's symmetrical and it's contrasting in colors. Oh my gosh, I just love it. It's so freaking good. But yeah, so, yep. Ooh, this is a good one right here. Not only is it my favorite movie of 2017, but dethroning The Italian Job for the first time, my favorite movie of all time, is this beautiful thing, Thor Ragnarok. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So, I'm a big fan of Taika Waititi. I've got a couple of his movies digitally, Hunt the Wilder People, What We Do in the Shadows, and his style of humor is fantastic, and it shines excellently in this movie, and everything about it fits so well within Thor, fits so well within the MCU, and it's just great as a standalone movie. I've seen this movie, I think 8 or 9 times already, and I'm not sick of it yet, so that's a really good sign. It's just so rewatchable, and it's so triumphant at the end, and the soundtrack, and the colors, and everything, and it's funny, oh my gosh. And first of all, and also that fight between between Thor and Hulk, is one of the best superhero fights I've ever seen. Even considering I've seen Infinity War 3 times, there's some good fights in there, but like, in my opinion, the fight between Thor and Hulk in the Gladiator setting rivals that in the Bourne Ultimatum, the bathroom fight in the Bourne Ultimatum. Yeah, just one of the best fights I've ever seen. And the last movie for this update, very underrated movie, and that's kind of too bad because it's a really neat movie. And that is Valerian and the City of a Thousand Planets. Now, this is actually based off of a French comic book dating back to the 1950s, I think, which is a long freaking time ago. And actually, many elements in Star Wars, at least the original Star Wars trilogy, were literally copied and inspired directly from this. So, because of Valerian, we have Star Wars. So, you're welcome. And of course, look at all these colors. I love this graphic comic booky style, and it's just, the colors are fantastic. And the movie itself, I really liked. I thought it was original. I liked all the settings and the character dynamics and the chemistry between these two people, Dane and Kara. I liked it. That's pretty much it. The outside, and of course the back wrap. Now, you may have been following my Twitter and Instagram feeds at Yoshi on the Go, which you should totally follow me if you want to. I've acquired several Batman Steelbooks this year. Well, where are they? Well, they're in their own very special video. So if you want to check out my entire Batman Steelbook collection as far as 2018 is concerned, you can check out that video right here. Also, if you want to see other Steelbook videos that I've done, that's what this playlist is all about. And yeah, thanks for watching, and bye.